Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. Today I have a video for you. We are going to be using some different mediums. I have acrylic paint, I have Indian ink, and we're going to be using some water. So let's get started. So that's what we have. Yeah, that's what I came up with. I hope that it inspired you. You can use anything that you have laying around to create the color. I had just purchased this Indian ink. I had actually taken a picture of the whole spectrum of what comes in the kit. It's on my Instagram. And I haven't used them before, and I have to tell you, I am just in love with them because the pigment is so vibrant. And obviously I diluted it with water, but if you don't have Indian ink, you can use watercolor. You could see how I watered down the acrylic. It doesn't matter as long as you just have like that flow and it's fluid. Pretty much that's what you need. And you can even color the shamrocks with acrylic ink if you didn't have any of the other sources. anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it inspired you. You can use anything that you have laying around, create your own card. I used, for my cold pressed watercolor cardstock, it's 140 pounds. It's thicker and it absorbs better. But again, that's preference. Hope you guys have a great day. And if you could be oh so kind, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the link above that I will provide. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.